So I was actually able to download the free version of TouchChat onto the iPad I use in my district. It is clearly free for a reason. I've watched a lot of videos and done a lot of research on the higher level of the app where it's $149 or $249. And this one being free, you can definitely see why. There are a lot of really great features. And in the menu, if you click settings, there are definitely a lot of interesting settings that can make this free version customizable. I can only imagine what the paid version would be like. So I did things such as visible cursor, show icons when creating text, a status bar, and the button click sound, because that was something that I would think an emergent learner would need in order to start making connections between images, text, and even the verbal presentation of the words. So it's pretty self-explanatory. You would have to get pretty familiar with the app in order to fluently fly around this. But it's as simple as I want to play whatever. And then you could see that there are images that match, but in this light version, the speech is not available. So in this free version, there's nothing regurgitating the text back out to the students. So the most beneficial part of this is the fact that they can match the words with the images, and you simply just delete it back. This, I think, would be for maybe a younger student that all they need to say is good, or if you wanted them to talk about socially, it's not really giving you much more than what's available here. Building sentences is a little more basic, but the paid versions seem to be a lot more customizable, a lot more beneficial, a lot more in-depth. They have multiple screens. This allows you to build. See, there's all different upgrades that you could access and pay for. And all these other things that you could do. But right now, all I have access to is this one sample board. The only good thing about this free version is that you could come down to the bottom here and type in learned words. And any words that your student has learned, you could add it here. Say, for example, if they're learning about their pet cat, you save it and it goes right into the list. And that's that. But overall, I see the benefits, but I would love to be able to try the more expensive versions, as I'm sure it is even more beneficial.